Welcome to the Innovations Clients area. In this video, we will show you the index of the Culture of Innovation section in Results. In this section, we find your index of the Culture of Innovation. In the box Global, we can see the results of the survey. Let's play with the full screen. We close the menu and we'll use this icon to enlarge the screen. There we have it. Thus, we can get a full view of our results. Now let's understand them. The bullseye shows our index of the culture of innovation, the ICI. In this case, is 3.58. We have to keep in mind that the ICI range is from 5 as a maximum and 1 as a minimum. Now you will wonder, how did we get the global ICI? The participants, your associates, have valued the perception about the 54 questions of the survey from 1 to 5. Each question corresponds to one element of this table. We have 27 elements in the rational area and 27 in the emotional area. Every 3 elements are consolidated in one factor and every 3 factors are consolidated in one block. Thus, such 9 first elements belong to the resources block, formed by people, systems and project factors. Each block, factor and element is showing us a certain aspect of our organization. Once we have understood it, let's see what does this table show in the selectors of the headline. We can browse with more detail if we select blocks, factors or elements. We can prioritize between average and ranking, or select only average. Also, we can see our results for the whole organization or for any of our departments. For instance, we can see here that the finance department has valued the index of the culture of innovation of our organization with 4. Or we can see that the directors category has valued it with 3.36. Finally, we have the option to highlight. We can highlight to see the highest and the lowest ratings. An example, the first and the last in each concept, elements, factors or blocks. We can highlight to see the maximum or minimum rating obtained for each concept, or we can activate the leadership elements. Next, we will go back to the menu by closing the display. Now we will analyze our index of the culture of innovation and we will make the comparison by the metadata questions. We set the full screen to work better. Again, we will be supported by the selectors that manage the information. We can make the analysis by elements, factors and blocks. InnoQuestion recommends to analyze it by elements. Here we will find the greater detail, which will allow us to create specific improvement plans. We work in each metadata question with this section selector. Keep in mind that charts allow you to activate or deactivate every segment of the question to make the comparison between particular segments. For instance, we can select R plus D and customer assistance and observe the difference between these two segments. Or we can see also the difference of perception by age, education, etc. by any of the questions. This is very useful to analyze the different perception pursuant to the segmentation of our participants. We can see the same information in a spider chart, as we can see on the screen, or in charts. We can activate it by any of our selectors. Bear in mind that every chart and table give us the option to download the JPG or PNG image for your presentations. And this is it for the index of the culture of innovation. If you want to learn more, visit our InnoQuestion channel in YouTube. Thank you for your attention.